Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Clickbank affiliate account. To do that, you visit www.accounts.clickbank.com/signup. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. This is the link, the sign up page, affiliate sign up page. Okay, so here you select your country, your language, your country, your name, your last name. Make sure you fill this form with your correct information. Okay, now the way they accept affiliate now has changed. This is 2017. You don't have instant affiliate accounts anymore. They will need to review your account before they accept you, so have that at the back of your mind. All right, so make sure you fill this form with your correct information. Then after you finish the first page, you move to the second step. So this is how the second step looks like. In this page, you write your name, the payee name, the name that matches your bank account, then your bank name, select the country, your tax ID, and scroll down, read the agreement, then scroll to the end before it will allow you to click this accept. Then you verify this. Then I wouldn't do that now. Then you submit the form. Okay, then you submit. You click next step to submit the form. They will review your information and they will get back to you via email. So that is how to sign up for Clickbank affiliate accounts. It's very simple and very easy to do. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.